Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can uninstall the Crackle application from your mobile device. So go ahead and locate Crackle, tap on it and click uninstall, and if you press OK, the app will be uninstalled. The next way to do it is locating the Crackle app in your phone, going to its settings, and you see the uninstall button. Click on it and press OK. After you click OK, Crackle will be uninstalled from your phone. So it's quite an easy process. You should just go ahead and locate the Crackle app and click on uninstall and press OK. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.